Okay, so back out on my walks again, and I've got a foggy morning, and I thought I'd come out and try something a bit different. I've got some Adox CX22, which is a 12 ISO film. However, it says when it's cloudy, when I've got fog, it says it should be shot at 20 ISO, so that's what I'm actually doing. I'm shooting at 20 rather than actually 12. And I haven't got a clue if I'm going to get a thing at all with this film, so I'll be really interested to see if we get anything at all. It would be nice, and I've got a few shots planned that I've not done before and I want to try out, so it's going to be quite interesting to see if I get anything at all. But the fog is probably just a little bit too heavy because the church in the distance, the spire has gone to almost white, so yeah, we'll see what we can do. Okay, so where I've just been filming has been really noisy. I've been near the waterfalls, and there's a canoe thing over there and stuff, and I wanted to try and get some of that fast flowing water. I've never been able to do it before in my life, trust me. Honestly, I've never ever been able to take a good shot like that before, so I'm hoping. But also when I was over there, you'll see now, I took some photographs of some cobwebs. Hopefully they're going to come out, don't know. Problem was my shutter speeds were down to 25 or even a 20th or 40th of a second, just really low shutter speeds, and they were blowing in the wind, but they looked incredible, and I just really hope that they come out. I also did another one of a sign about not entering, and it had a nice, there was a nice sign with a lock and stuff, and I thought that might come out well as well. So I've done a few, and I wanted to really save some of the shots for tomorrow. I want to do some stuff inside and do a little studio setup with the little lights that I've got, and try and do some close-up stuff of I don't know, eggs, flowers, I don't know. But yeah, so where I normally walk is across the river. They've actually blocked part of it off. They're actually doing some work at the moment. So I'm going to take a few more shots at this side of the river, which we're going to see, and then the rest will probably be at home in the studio. Okay, so we're now back in the studio, or my kitchen, should I say, and it's been about a week and a half since I did those other photographs, so I'm literally just setting up now. I've been so busy, I've been working away every day, so it's the first day really at home I can do any photography. So I've set this little studio up, and I've got my Adox film in the EOS 100, I think, yeah. Now I've done a late meter reading with that. It comes up about a stop difference from what the Westone is. I've done an instant reading, and that's slightly different as well. So I'm going to go with the instant reading. Now it's meant to be a white background. It's actually not, it's really cream, but you won't see it through this because it's trying to compensate for the brightness of the white light, or the brightness of the light plus the white background. So it won't show you a white, but because the Adox is so high contrast, the plan would be that will go completely white when I actually come to take the shot. Now there's so the lights, let's come back a bit. So there's the light, and there's the camera on the tripod. Now, one thing is, I'm absolutely completely useless at doing anything studio photography wise. It just isn't me. So these shots aren't going to be the best. I've got a fly crawling around in the background. Go away. So yeah, so I'm not the best when it comes to this type of photography at all, doing small things in the studio. It's just never been my sort of thing. But I thought it'd be interesting to see how the Adox worked in this light. I'm using a daylight correction light on this as well. So yeah, hopefully, all in all, I should get at least 2 or 3 nice shots to finish off this film, and then show you now and